Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Hangouts video call. First, of course, you log into your Gmail. After you log into your Gmail, click out Hangouts. After clicking Hangouts, the first way you could do it is you can start a new conversation in your messages right here in your conversation box. Click Start Conversation, New Conversation. Type in the email or the person name. See, I already have my backup Gmail on this. This is my real Gmail that I'm using. But my backup Gmail is to show y'all to demonstrate how to use the video call. And I just type in my backup email. After that, click on it. And you see that I already kind of started a conversation. And you could just look at the top left. It has a video call right here. Click on it. And you'll start the video call. As you can see, look, the video call is starting. Of course, I'm not going to answer it, but see, missed call. But another way you could do it is go to your contacts and see, this is my backup Gmail right here. You can just wave over it and you can see, you can send an email, schedule an event, send a message, and video call. Of course, start a video call again if you want. You can invite people as well, but not doing that right now. And that'll be it, man. And also, what you could do is, another way you could do it, if you go to your contacts, and of course you see the name of the person I'm trying to use, which is my backup Gmail. You see the little three dots right here. You click on it, and you can see start a video call. Also, it's another way to start a video call, and that is the way to start a video call on Google Hangouts. I hope this helped you, and have a great day.